Clear 2147 Golf.
Warrior 47 Golf, not quite. There's still traffic in position.
Roger that, Warrior 2147 Golf.
Tango, right turnout approved. The Cessna upwind is in the closed pattern. Runway 25 right, cleared for takeoff.
Livermore Towers.
Livermore Tower was clear for takeoff for 310 Charlie Tango.
Cessna 310 Charlie Tango, affirmative. Right downwind departure approved. The Cessna on crosswinds in the pattern.
I got the Cessna, cleared 25 right, 310 Charlie Tango.
Warrior 47 Golf, runway 25 right, cleared for the option.
Warrior 2147 Golf, cleared for the option.
Archer 00 Echo traffic heading to right over the freeway. Turning base now is a Warrior for the right runway.
00 Echo has the traffic.
Livermore Towers and answer the uniform Foxtrot at runway 25 right, request right course traffic.
Cessna 757 uniform Foxtrot without delay, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff, traffic turning right base.
Runway 25 right, clear for takeoff. 7 uniform Foxtrot.
Livermore Tower, Cruise Master 9823 Bravo, ready for takeoff, 25 right downwind departure.
Cruise Master 9823 Bravo, Livermore Tower, hold short, runway 25 right.
Hold short, 25 right, 23 Bravo.
Cessna 7 Juliet X-ray traffic will hold in position.
Right.
San Luis Obispo Tower, good afternoon, Scott 5371, visual 29.
Sister 538, squawk 0137. Lancer 2 Romeo Echo, turn left on Echo, then taxi on Micro Juliet parking.
Roger, 2 Romeo Echo.
San Luis Tower, Skyline 73360 at 12 to the southeast, inbound landing with hotel, 3000 descending.
Flight 73360, San Luis Tower, straight in runway 29, report 4 mile final.
Straight in 29, report 4 mile final 360.
And Tower 215 uniforms ready, 29.
58 uniform San Luis Tower, hold short of runway 29.
Hold short of 29, 58U, welcome.
Twin Cessna 0 Charlie Tango, where are you parking?
Transient parking, please.
Twin Cessna 0 Charlie Tango, turn right at Foxtrot and taxi to parking.
Right on Foxtrot to parking. 310 Charlie Tango.
San Luis Tower, Mooney 2, Foxtrot, Romeo 2600 descending.
Mooney 2 Foxtrot Romeo, San Luis Tower, report right downwind runway 29.
2 Fox Romeo will report right downwind 29.
Citation 58 Uniform.